Hi my beautiful people, how you doing today? We're going to be doing a lip tutorial, okay, beginner friendly. So the first thing I'm doing is wiping off the excess makeup off my lip. I'm going in with the shade Brownie from Juvia's Place. Y'all know how much I love her. And we're gonna trace that. I was gonna go in with that. Well, I am gonna go in with that, but I want to go in with a dark brown liner first because I feel like Brownie doesn't really come up on my shade complexion too much. But if I go in with a darker liner, which is a Wet n Wild pencil that I got from Amazon for $1, it's perfect, you guys. So I just draw my lips with that and I outline it with the Brownie on top of it, you guys. This combination right here is the best. Like, I love this combination. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Thanks so much. I would greatly appreciate it. So now I'm going in and overlining that brown Wet n Wild liner. If you want to see a makeup tutorial on this look, check out my channels for more makeup tutorials. So throughout this whole process, you want to pop your lips together. So this is the Juvia's lipstick in the shade Chica. And Chica is giving light, okay? I was kind of worried about this, but it turned out fine because I kind of dimmed it down with the NYX Butter Gloss. So I really love this combination, you guys. Like, just keep popping those lips together, though. Pop, pop, pop. And they will all blend and mesh together properly. And yes, I know it was looking kind of crazy, but we got it together, y'all. So I'm a glossy girl. I'm not really a matte girl, you know what I'm saying? I love the gloss. So I had to add some gloss on that. But I wish I would have put the NYX first because I was not okay with, you know, how it just turned out by itself. But the NYX Butter Gloss gave it a little pop, you know? Now you could leave it just like this because this is okay. Like, it's giving and match my shirt and everything, but it was just something had to tell me to grab this NYX in the shade Madeline, I think. Yeah, and I just popped that on there, and it toned it down a little bit. That's what it did. So just make sure to mix and match and you'll be fine. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.